Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to see who viewed your Snapchat story. And now let's dive right in. Now to see who viewed your story on Snapchat, let's open up your Snapchat app. And over here guys, at the top left corner of your screen, you can see a Bitmoji icon or there is your story also. Tap on that at the top left corner. And over here guys, on this interface you can see I had posted a story some minutes ago. Okay, and there is the 59 seconds ago showing us. Now in order to view who viewed our story, tap on the 59 seconds ago tab over here, and this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to see who viewed your Snapchat story. So you can see the drop up arrow, or you can see there is an up arrow available at the bottom corner of the screen. Tap on that up arrow and this kind of insight will appear where you will be able to see who viewed your Snapchat story. And there guys, this is how to see who viewed your Snapchat story. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.